Hello everyone, welcome back to another topic of evolution from DNA Bioscience. So today we will be discussing about a very important topic that is called the IUCN Red List, or it is also called the Red Data Book. Actually the list is present in a book, so it is called the Red Data Book. So we know that IUCN stands for International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, and the headquarters is present at Morges in Switzerland. So the name is Red Data Book or Red List. The color chosen was red because we know that red is for danger. So in case of Red Data Books, the information they provide for the species which are threatened, which are endangered. The book consists of two volumes. They listed the critically endangered species in pink pages of the book, and after the critically endangered species got recovery, they shifted the species to the green pages. So the IUCN Red List, they categorize into three types. First one is the extinct type, second one is the threatened type, and the third one is the other categories. In the first one, the extinct type, it is consist of first is extinct and the second is extinct in the wild. So extinct could have understood already. Extinct means it is not present in present condition, it is already extinct. For example, the dinosaurs, the dodo, so it is not present, they are all died. The next is extinct in wild and it is represented as EW. So extinct in wild is they have the only living individuals in the section that are living in captivity or were born in captivity. So the example is heaven crow. It was supposed to be extinct in 2002. The threatened species, they have categorized three kind of species. First one is critically endangered, second one is endangered, and third one is the vulnerable. So critically endangered means they have a high risk of extinction. So evidence shows that the section has an extremely high risk of extinction in the world. So the example giant salamander, there are many examples. And the next is the endangered species. Endangered species is likely in danger of extinction. And the example is red panda. The next is vulnerable. Vulnerable means the evidence shows that the taxon has a high risk of extinction in the near future if it was not improved. And the examples are the marsupial. Next is the least concern. Least concern is the taxon is not in a threatened category. It is widespread and abundant. The next is the near threatened. Near threatened means the taxon is not in threatened category but is likely to move into a threatened category in the near future. That means it is not come under the category of endangered, critically endangered or vulnerable, but it is supposed to move into a threatened category in near future. Next one is the data deficient. In this case, the taxon has been well studied, but there is not enough information about its distribution and population to decide that in which category it belongs and what is the risk factor. The next is not evaluated. The taxon has not been studied to decide what category it belongs in. So one question is there, which group of vertebrates comprise the highest number of endangered species? It is a question from CSIR. So the answer is mammal. As of 2015, you can see 792 amphibians were endangered, 358 reptiles were declared as endangered, 482 mammals were endangered, and 419 birds were discovered as endangered. So the purpose of this IUCN Red List or this Red Data Book is to evaluate the risk of extinction and to conserve or to improve the species which are going to be extinct in the near future. So the overall idea is to conserve our biodiversity and to know the risk of extinction. This is all about Red Data Book. I hope it will help you. Please do subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching this video.